Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to fix iPhone camera not working. So guys, if your iPhone camera is not working, just simply you have to tap on this and just simply flip the camera to the back side and then flip to the front side. And after that, check whether it's working or not. If it's still not working for you, just simply have to close this tab from here and then you have to open it again and then make sure that if it's working or not. If it's still not working for you, then you have to close this page from here, and after that guys, just simply you have to open settings. Now from here guys, just simply you have to scroll it down a bit. Just simply you have to look at for camera. Here it is guys. When you tap on this, just simply have to go to preserve setting option and make sure that if this toggle is turned on. So guys, if this toggle is turned on, just simply have to turn it off at least for the 60 seconds and then turn it on again. And then go back from here, and after that guys, just simply you have to force restart your device. It's depending on which model you are using. So after that, what you need to do is just simply you have to open settings and then you have to scroll it down. Just simply you have to tap on general, then scroll it down all the way, tap on transfer restart iPhone. From here guys, just simply you have to tap on reset. So from here guys, just simply you have to tap on reset all setting and your phone will be reset. And after that, hopefully your problem will be fixed. And if once again there guys, then what you need to do is just simply have to open setting, then you have to scroll it on, tap on channel, then go to software update and make sure that you don't have any pending update here. If you have, just simply have to update your device, and after that hopefully your problem will be fixed. And if once again there guys, then it means you have hardware problem in your device. Just simply you have to uh, repair your phone, and after that hopefully your problem will be fixed. So that's pretty much for today's video. If it is helpful, please like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.